Welcome to Sunhub Tutorials. Landing pages are a powerful way to capture attention, showcase tailored deals, and drive customer engagement. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a private landing page. This helps you build focused and branded pages, highlight the right offers, and deliver a more engaging customer experience. Let's get started. Log into the portal using your credentials. From the left panel, go to Landing Pages under Settings. Click on View Landing Pages to see existing pages. From here, you can view, edit, delete, or copy a link to share with your customers. Each landing page works as a dedicated space for your deals. You can group products, control how they are displayed, and share them with specific clients. To create a new page, click on the Add New button. Choose a template that fits your needs. You can select from list, table, or card layouts. Click Preview to view the layout. Next, select the deals you want to include. You can search, filter, or browse categories. Choose the listings that match your audience. This helps you highlight the right products for the right customers, instead of sharing your full inventory. Now upload your banner and logo. For best results, only use a banner size of 1920 pixels wide by 335 pixels high and a logo size of 210 by 210 pixels. Add your company title and description. Your customers can switch between card, table, and list views. Click Next to continue. This creates a clean and branded page that makes it easier for customers to explore your deals. Preview your landing page. Click Save and Publish. Enter a name and click Save. Your landing page is now ready. You can edit it anytime, and changes will update instantly. Click Copy Link to share it with your client. Your client must log in to view the page. Once logged in, the landing page will open right away. Thank you for watching this tutorial.